Okay, go.
Viscera.
Falciform ligament.
Falciform diaphragm to liver.
Greater omentum.
Apron.
Mesentery proper. Lesser omentum.
Liver to stomach.
Canine teeth.
Lesser omentum.
Esophagus.
Esophagus. Underneath this trachea. Okay.
Vagus nerve.
Vagus nerve.
Esophagus?
Yeah.
Vagus nerve. Vagus nerve. Okay, thank you.
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm. Okay.
Esophageal hiatus.
Esophageal.
That hole, right?
Oh, wait.
So
Again,
the
wait. Show it
esophagus
again.
goes through the diaphragm, right?
Oh, okay. Again. The hiatus. That hole. Okay, I see
Down
that.
there?
Okay, esophagus going through a diaphragm. See that? Okay.
Right. Then stomach.
Stomach.
Cardia.
Cardia. Wait.
Cardia is the
Okay.
top, right?
Fundus.
And
Fundus
this
is the
Body.
body.
Pylorus.
Pylorus.
Small intestine.
Small intestine.
Duodenum.
No.
Jejunum.
Jejunum.
Ileum.
And then close to the cecum.
Cecal valves.
Ileocecal valve.
Yeah, that's
Where
my
is it?
Where?
Here.
ileocecal valve. Okay.
Liver.
Liver.
Gallbladder.
Gallbladder.
Pancreas.
Where's the
Where's the
gallbladder?
gallbladder?
It disappeared.
It was supposed to be here.
It's in
Okay.
between here.
Okay, they're gonna show us
There it
something
is.
like
Pancreas.
I see it.
pancreas,
This
like
is in that move.
yeah. You had to flip the duodenum.
It's on the other side of the
Yeah, it's on the other
It's
side.
this way.
It's this way. Yeah. Yeah.
The location of the hepatic portal vein.
Hepatic portal vein.
List.
What is it? Hepatic portal vein.
I think they'll
Okay.
just
Oh,
point
hepatic
here
portal
and be
vein.
like which vein is supposed to go here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, where your nutrients goes through liver.
Right.
And then spleen.
Spleen. Right here. Where'd it go? Oh there.
Oh, no. I'm sorry.
That's the lung. It's supposed to be here.
Maybe it's down.
Okay.
It's supposed to be here.
Let me do it. Spleen.